Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to integrate WooCommerce with Zoho. This integration is incredibly useful for automating your e-commerce workflows and syncing your store data with Zoho's business apps, saving you time and reducing manual data entry. Let's get started. First, open a browser and head to WordPress.com. If you haven't already logged into your account, go ahead and do that now. Make sure you're using the account that's connected to your WooCommerce store, as this is where we'll be setting up the integration. Once you're logged in, to integrate WooCommerce with Zoho, start by clicking on Plugins on the left navigation menu. When you click this, an expanded set of options will appear. From the options that show up, click on Add Plugin. This section is where you'll find all the tools you need to extend your WooCommerce functionality. From the Plugins page, you'll see all the plugins available to add and utilize on your WooCommerce account. Now locate the search bar and type in Zoho. From the results, look for Zoho Flow Integrate 100 plus plugins with 1,000 plus business apps, no-code workflow automation. This is the plugin that will bridge WooCommerce and Zoho seamlessly. Click on more details to see the overview of this plugin and understand the features and functions it offers. Once you're ready and comfortable with what it does, click on Install Now. It might take a while for the installation to finish, so be patient during this process. Once the installation is complete, you'll see the option change. Click on Activate to enable the plugin on your site. Once activated, look at the left navigation menu and click on Zoho Flow. An expanded option will appear, and from there, click on Integrations. This is where you'll manage all your connections between WooCommerce and other business apps. From the list of integrations Zoho Flow offers, click on WooCommerce. Now a new browser tab will open, taking you to the Zoho Flow website. From the Zoho Flow website, you'll be selecting which Zoho software you'll be integrating with your WooCommerce account. Click on the plus button, and a Choose the App window will open. From here, type in Zoho and select the Zoho app you wish to integrate. This could be Zoho CRM, Zoho Books, or any other Zoho service that fits your business needs. Once selected, simply click on Connect Your Apps Now, and the integration will start automatically. The connection process should only take a few moments, and you'll be able to start automating workflows between your store and Zoho right away. And that's it. You've successfully integrated WooCommerce with Zoho, allowing you to streamline your business operations and automate key processes between your online store and Zoho's powerful suite of tools. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.